Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change TradingView background. If you are looking for a way to change the background color in your TradingView chart, then here is how you do it. Log into your TradingView account or open up your TradingView application and sign into your account. After you are inside the home page, tap on the chart option at the bottom of the screen. By default, your chart's background will appear in white color. If you want to change that to something colorful or something else, tap on the three dots right next to the pencil icon at the bottom right-hand corner. This will open up the More menu. Select Chart Settings from the list. Now, from the chart settings, tap on Canvas. Choose the background drop-down option at the top, and then you can choose gradient in order to add gradient color on your background. Tap on each color palettes and choose a different color for your background. You can also choose the solid option and then tap on the color palette in order to choose a different color for your solid background. After you are done, click on the cross icon or the back button, and you will then be able to see your TradingView's background color changed. You can also customize the color of your preferences by repeating this step again. So that's how you easily change the background of your TradingView chart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.